Hi everybody, it's a pleasure to be here and show you our project. I'm here with my Willian and Mirella that work together in this project. Okay, so we like to talk about Connect Rede is a big project in Brazil that we exchange the infrastructure of all a bunch of federal institution for the hosting in the ministry. Okay. Well, I'm Irandy Cruz, CEO of Captiva. That is Mirella.
Hello everyone, my name is Mirella. I am network engineer and Moodle product owner in RMP.
Hello everyone, my name is Willian. I'm coordinator IT at Captiva.
Okay, to explain our program, we need to talk about the Conecta Rede and agents. So, in 2022, the Education Ministry and the RMP created to Conecta Rede with the 8 solutions for the our country. Our objective is to modernize the technological capacity and support the digital transformation process of the federal institutes. 2 in the 8 solutions are based in Moodle. One type is the Moodle of the federal institutes, and another is one platform MOOC with the 1.5 million users. So for this offer, RMP and Captiva work together. Okay, but what or who is RMP? RMP is the Brazilian Network for Education and Research. We are one social organization helped take internet to Brazil, linked to science, technology, and innovation, education, health, and defense ministries. In this map, you can see our backbone RMP. We connected to every state in Brazil, connected to universities, federal institutes, museums, ministries, and other research units. In Brazil, we have 2 types of the higher education. One is the universities, and the second is federal institutes. Our program is for the federal institutes. In federal institutes, we have high school and higher education. In Brazil, we have 41 institutes. All of them are multicurricular and multi-camping in all the country. Each point in the map is one federal institute. 8 federal institutes are the different organization structure, but the main focus is the professional and technological education. The difficulty is very similar in all the federal institutes because they have small IT teams, hacker unavailability, and teams without Moodle knowledge.
Well, and Captiva, you are for 16 years in the market. We start to do e-learning courses. Little by little, we become a Moodle partner. So we are today here with this project. We work here with government, education, and corporate. In your teams, you have 70 members. Okay. Well, and when we started this project, it's a big challenge because each institute has your own on-premise or cloud installation with different kind of Moodles in the versions, modification in the core. Some institute has one big Moodle, another have 15 or 20 Moodles, and they need to sanitize and put together this infrastructure to bring all to our installation. And also they have sometimes another application together in the server and different kinds of integration. Okay, and now we're gonna show how we do this. We did this transformation.
Okay, the migration process, we have 3 steps. The first is the join. When the Federal Institute sends the documents for MRP validated. The second step is the migration.
So after the institution joined the program, we start the migration. So we receive from the access from the web server where Moodle is hosting. And we start the synchronization to bring files from their server to our server in the cloud. For this project, we are using a cloud architecture based in Kubernetes. So we separated the resources from cloud, like file server to store the Moodle data, a cloud SQL to database, memcache to performance, and we have the Kubernetes with containers to host the application. And for security, we are using WebFire application either. In 2024, we have 29 join, so 29 institutions joined the program. We have 19 production with 13.5 Moodles and 7 immigration. So we build a monitoring process to check the cluster stats like CPU usage, memory usage, and some size from Moodles, like Moodle data size. We have either some volumetry, so like registered users, enrolled users, and concurrency users by institution and for the whole cluster. So that's it.
In here, QR code, we can talk a little more with us. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you guys for the presentation. It was quick, and that's good for us because we were running a bit late. So let's have time for one question while we change, and that way we will be back to schedule. Is there any question for them? Yeah.
Hi, thank you for the presentation. We are your neighbors, you know, we are down south. I mean, we are next to Brazil. Quick question, the big enterprise that you're managing for so many federal institutes, you have your own cloud infrastructure in Brazil when you connected all these universities to a central platform, or you use Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, things like that, outside of Brazil? Thank you.
So for the whole project, we are using a cloud based on Google Cloud, but we are also working with AWS. So all the structure and migrations is to cloud. Thank you.